In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Steam invalid platform error quickly and safely using a simple step-by-step method. This problem can be frustrating, especially when you're trying to launch a game and Steam refuses to cooperate. The good news is that in many cases, the fix is straightforward and only takes a few minutes. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Steam on your computer and go to your library. This is where all of your installed games are listed. Once you're in the library, find the game that is giving you the invalid platform error. Right-click on the game to open the menu, then click Properties. This will open the game's settings page inside Steam. Next, look for the Installed Files section. This is where Steam stores tools for checking whether your game files are missing, damaged, or out of sync. Click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will now begin scanning the game installation and comparing it with the official files. If anything is broken, missing, or incorrect, Steam will automatically re-download the needed files and repair the install. This step is important because corrupted or incomplete files are one of the most common reasons for platform-related errors. Once the verification process is complete, close Steam completely. Don't just minimize it. Make sure Steam is fully shut down so the next step starts with fresh permissions. After that, locate steam.exe on your computer. This is the main Steam application file. Right-click steam.exe and then click Run as administrator. Running Steam with administrator privileges can help resolve permission issues that may be causing the invalid platform error in the first place. After Steam opens again, go back to your game and try launching it one more time. In many cases, the combination of verifying the game files and running Steam as administrator is enough to fix the issue. If the game launches normally, then the error has been resolved. If it still doesn't work right away, don't worry. The important thing is that you've already completed the two most effective steps for this problem. File verification repairs damaged data, and administrator mode helps Steam access the files it needs correctly. Those two fixes solve a lot of common Steam launch errors. So, just to recap, you opened Steam, went to your library, right-clicked the game, opened Properties, checked installed files, verified the integrity of the game files, closed Steam, ran steam.exe as administrator, and then tried launching the game again. That's the full process for fixing the Steam invalid platform error in a safe and simple way. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy troubleshooting guides. It really helps the channel grow, and it makes sure you don't miss future fixes for Steam and other PC issues. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.